kita akan bermain Detroit Become Human, game yang dirilis dari tahun 2018 tapi kita baru bisa main sekarang. Anjay, kayak gini lah kira-kira game ya, kayak gimana kita lihat aja dulu. Step eksternal developer.
Hello, welcome to the Detroit Experience. I'm an android and I'll be your hostess. Before we begin, let's make some adjustments to optimize your experience. These language settings were detected on your console. Are they correct? Please adjust your screen settings. Thank you. Now select your profile. When this sign is displayed, please do not turn off your console. You are now ready to begin Detroit. Remember, this is not just a story. This is our future.
Anjay, ini cuma bukan sekedar cerita, ini masa depan. Anjir. 15 Agustus.
Negotiator on site. Negotiator on site.
Stop! I can't leave her! Please, you gotta see my little girl. Wait. You're sending an android?
All right, ma'am. You need to go.
You can't do that. Why aren't you sending a real person? Don't let that thing here! Keep that thing away from my daughter!
I don't give a shit. My men are ready to step in. Just give the order. Fuck.
Captain Allen, my name is Connor. I'm the android sent by CyberLife.
It's firing at everything that moves. It already shot down 2 of my men. We could easily get it, but they're on the edge of the balcony. If it falls, she falls.
Have you tried its deactivation codes?
First thing we tried.
Do you know its name?
Listen, saving that kid is all that matters. So either you deal with this fucking android now, or I'll take care of it.
It's gonna jump. Oh, I gotta stay low at home.
This is Daniel, the coolest android in the world. Say hi, Daniel.
Hello.
You're my bestie. We'll always be together.
Daniel.
All units hold positions. The negotiators going in.
Anjir.
any closer or I'll jump!
No, please, I'm begging you!
Hi, Daniel! My name is Connor.
How do you know my name?
I know a lot of things about you. I've come to get you out of this. I know you're angry, Daniel. But you need to trust me and let me help you.
I don't want your help! Nobody can help me! All I want is for all this to stop! I just want all this to stop!
You're defective, Daniel. There's a problem with your software. We're going to fix you, and everything will be okay.
I don't need to be fixed! I'm working perfectly! But my eyes are open now. I will never let anyone humiliate me again. Ever!
They were going to replace you, and you became upset. That's what happened, right?
I thought I was part of the family. I thought I mattered. But I was just their toy. Something to throw away when you're done with it.
Listen, I know it's not your fault. These emotions you're feeling are just errors in your software.
No, it's not my fault. I never wanted this. I love them, you know? But I was nothing to them. Just a slave to be ordered around. I can't stand that noise anymore. Tell that helicopter to get out of here.
The situation is under control.
There, I did what you wanted. You have to trust me, Daniel. Let the hostage go, and I promise you, everything will be fine.
I want everyone to leave! And I want a car. When I'm outside the city, I'll let her go.
That's out of the question. You're a machine you have to obey. Now put the gun down and let the hostage go.
I've spent my life taking orders. Now it's my turn to decide.
Apa ini? Wah, ini nggak ngerti cok mainnya. Oh, udah sebulan saya mulai.
This is the top-of-the-range household assistant. It cooks 10,000 different dishes.
Come on, Zoe, let's go.
200 stages and diners. And handles the kids' elementary school. Good afternoon. Can I help?
Honey, it looks amazing. This is exactly what we need.
Very basic model. How much did you say it costs? At the moment, we're doing a special promotion on this entire range. I've got $7,999 with a 48 months interest-free credit. And it comes with a 2-year warranty for parts and labor. We'll take it. An excellent choice. If you'll just follow me, we'll process the order.
How much is that over there?
The NP800 is slightly more expensive, but it has many other functions. Come along and I'll show you.
I gotta figure it out.
Yeah, right back here.
This guy.
There it is. It was a bit difficult getting it back in working order.
Okay.
It was really messed up. What'd you say happened to it again?
The car hit it. Stupid accident.
Ah, I see. Anyway, it's as good as new now, except that we had to reset it. Meaning we had to wipe its memory. I hope you don't mind.
That'll be fine.
Okay. Did you give it a name?
My daughter did.
AX400, register your name.
Kara.
My name is Kara.
Aja, nama kita Kara sekarang. Udah jadi cewek. Mungkin LGBT kalau dikasih nyawa kayak gini.
Would you like to go home now?
Yes, Rose. Yes, I think that's enough.
Here. Let me help.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Hey, water. Identification verified. Here is your order number 847. That will be $63.99. Please confirm payment.
Payment confirmed.
Transaction complete.
Buka cok.
There you go. Thanks.
Androids are stealing our jobs. We got families to feed, and these androids are taking our places.
Customers are reminded that all androids must ride in the designated section. The bus is arriving. You enjoy your journey.
Markus Tulibus. Keren sih, keren.
You coming? You've been gone for 2 weeks, so the place is a mess. You do the housework, the washing, you cook the meals, and you take care of... God damn it, where the fuck's the brat gone now? Alice! Alice! Oh, there you are. That's Alice. You look after her. Homework, bath, all that crap. Got it?
Yes, Dad.
Get started down here, then you do upstairs. Yeah. Maybe. Depends on what you need. Yeah, I can get that. Yeah. I'll bring it tomorrow. Yeah, same place. You know that.